Alright, so what we're going to do now then is, the pump is ready to go on. We put a little bit of pressure into it now. We're going to steadily turn the pump on. You hear a whirring noise. You can see the water coming into the reservoir. And as you'd expect, pressure is building up. So it's building up rapidly now. 10, 11 bar. Pressures you'd normally expect further down. It's going to go up and up. 17. Very, very high pressures. It's actually gone off the scale. So we can knock it off by there. And the pressure now in this tank is over 20 bar. So we could have continued, but we're not going to be able to measure it because it's only calibrated to 20 bar. And as we've done previously, when I release this, we should have a significant pressure now in this reservoir. We should do a puff of air. And there you are. As you can see, it's filling up now because we've released the pressure. Okay, what we're going to do on this third one now is we're going to simulate a new pipeline or a repaired pipeline. And this pipeline is going to be, or the new district is going to be fed from a pipeline which is coming from an area in Cardiff, for example. So what we've got here is a brand new bit of pipeline or a brand new repaired bit of pipeline. As you'd expect, it's empty. There's nothing in here, there's no air and there's no water. And the pressure, as you'd expect, again, is around 0 bar. What this demonstrates is that we can have, you know, any length of pipe. This is not a good simulation. We're doing it in a workshop here, so we've just rolled the pipe up. But it'll show you that we can have long lengths of pipe and still have these large pressures in these towns further away. Because remember, this is still being fed from the reservoir in Brecon, so we've still got around about 16 bar in this area. The other thing it's going to show us is that we can have a mixture of water and air in these pipes. So these pipes, you know, they're going to look empty, but they're going to be at a very high pressure, so they're extremely dangerous. So again, there's our pressure hovering around 0. As I open the valve back up here, you can see our pressure is steadily building up. And if you look along the pipe, you can see there's water appearing, but it's mainly air. There's actually no water at all in the district over there. And there we are, we're experiencing a pressure there around about 16.5 bar. And the flow is just about coming to a stop, so we're at our maximum pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the pressure on this tank to mainly show how we would sort of vent the pipe so that we can get water going all through it. But this is when it's, you know, it's going to be a mixture of water and air. Extremely dangerous situation. Okay, so there'll be a puff of air. There was a puff of air. Our pressure's dropped to 0 pressure. And as you can see, if you look along the pipe, you can see there's air and water now going through that pipe. At quite a fast rate. You can see the water now starting to go very fast because being fed by 16 bar of pressure. Okay, let's stop it there. Okay, we've got a little bit of water coming through, dribbling through, and the pressure is increasing steadily. And we would expect this now to go back up to around about 16 bar. So this pipe could be whatever length we'd want. There would be some losses in the pipe over large lengths. But again, we're still coming back to the same pressure, which is the head of water being fed from the reservoir. And just to show that there's pressure there. There you go.